This good evening class. Recording hasn't started. Please mark your attendance. Yes, let us start the topic. Uh, Today we'll discuss the topic cyclic quadrilateral that we have started in last class. Okay. After the topic cyclic quadrilateral, which is the last topic of the chapter circle, we will move to the new topic that is Heron's formula. So, in today's class, only a few people have joined. If more people will not join, then we will wrap up the class earlier, right? So, basically, we have learned in cyclic quadrilateral that let us suppose this is a circle. Mark 4 points on the circle. Let's say this is A, this is B, this is C, and this is D, right? So if you join these 4 points, if you join these 4 points, then you will get a closed figure, right? So I'm going to join A and B, B and C, C and D, and D and A. Okay. So we get a closed figure which have four side and four corner. So a figure closed figure having four side and four corner is called as quadrilateral, right? Since uh, there is a circle passing through all its four corner, that's why it is called as cyclic quadrilateral. We have discussed in earlier classes that let us suppose this is a quadrilateral, right? This is a quadrilateral. So there are three vertices which are on the circle, but this is one vertices that is not on the circle. So this is not the cyclic quadrilateral, right? So cyclic quadrilateral having a circle passing through all its four vertices, right? So this is the definition of cyclic quadrilateral. Now let us move to the theorem. So I'm going to just recap what we have learned in the earlier classes. After that, we will discuss some questions. So the theorem number one is that the sum of either pair of opposite angle of a cyclic quadrilateral is 180 degrees. So let us come to the figure number 10.31. If you add angle A and angle C, then you will get 180 degree, right? The sum of angle A and angle C is 180 degree, and the sum of angle B and angle D will also be 180 degree. Okay, this is the property of cyclic quadrilateral. You can also derive this theorem by your own. Okay, I will not derive the theorem that sum of the opposite angle of a cyclic quadrilateral is 180, right? If I say that the angle A is 56 degree, then what will be the measurement of angle C? Please type your answer in the chat box. It is given that ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral, right? And the measurement of angle A is 56 degree. So you have to say what will be the measurement of angle C. So it is 124 degree because, very good, because we know that angle from here, angle A plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. Angle A is 50. Angle C we have to find is equal to 180. So angle C is equal to 180 minus 56. So finally we will get angle C is 124, right? So this is the very basics. So now let us move. Theorem 10.12, it says that if sum of the opposite angle of a quadrilateral is 180 degree, let's say this is a circle and there is a quadrilateral inside the circle, or you can say cyclic quadrilateral P, Q, R, and S. Okay. Right now, you do not know that PQRS is cyclic or not. But if it is given that the sum of angle P and angle R is equal to 180 degree, then PQRS is a cyclic quadrilateral. We can also understand this. Let us come to the. So let us suppose there is a quadrilateral, right? This is a quadrilateral. Okay, quadrilateral P, Q, R, and S. So if angle R and angle Q plus angle R is equal to 180 degree, it means that the quadrilateral PQRS is cyclic, right? If the opposite sum of the opposite angle is 180 degree of a quadrilateral, is it means that the quadrilateral is cyclic. Cyclic means what? It means that a circle will pass which will touch all the vertices of this quadrilateral. Okay, like this. A circle will pass like this. Okay, this is not the fine drawing. This is freehand drawing, right? So cyclic means this, that if a quadrilateral is cyclic, it means that a circle will pass through all of its four vertices, right? So let us see example number 4 in figure 10.33. ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral in which AC and BD are diagonal. DBC is what? This is 55 degree, right? BAC, this angle is 45 degree. Then we have to find angle BCD. Okay, we have to find angle BCD. So how we will find? So in last class we have discussed about that. Let's say there is a point, 2 point on a circle A and B, right? So the angle made from the same segment, okay, let's say this angle and this angle, right? So these two angles have the base, just wait, AB is the base, okay? So base same, so this angle will equal to this angle. Let's say this is X, then it will also be at X, right? Angle on the same segment are equal. Angle on the same segment are equal, right? So let us consider base BC. Base BC. So from base BC, there is an angle BAC which is 45 degree, right? And again, you see that on the base BC, there is another angle which is BDC. So angle BAC will equal to angle BDC. Why? Because we know that the angle on the same segment are equal. So it will be 45 degree, right? Similarly, you can also see that this is the base DC, right? DC is the base. So from base DC, let me erase. This is 55 degrees given, right? So from base DC, you see that there is an angle DBC, and also from base BC, there is an angle DAC. Okay. So both angle will be equal. So it is 55, then it will be also 55 degree. We have to find which angle? We have to find angle this one, right? We have to find this angle. So the measurement of this angle is what? 45 plus 55. It will equal to 5 plus 5 is 10. It will equal to 100. And we know that the the sum of the opposite angle of a cyclic quadrilateral is 180 degree. So angle A and angle C will be equal to 180 degree. It means I am writing angle BAD, which is equal to 100, and BCD, which angle we have to find is equal to 180 degree. So the measurement of BAD 55 plus 45. I am going to write like this so that you can understand. 55 plus 45 plus angle BCD is equal to 180 degree. So I am going to write over here 55 plus 45 is 100 degree plus angle BCD is equal to 180 degree. And finally you will get BCD is 180 minus 100 degree is equal to 80 degree. So the measurement of this angle is 80 degree. राइट यहाँ पे आंसर भी आपको दिया गया है 80 डिग्री. सो होप आप ये क्वेश्चन समझ गए होंगे. दिस इज योर एग्जाम्पल. नाउ लेट अस मूव फर्दर. Example number 5, two circle intersect at 2 points. It is given that there is two circle which intersect at point A and point B. AD is this one, and AC are diameter of two circle. Prove that B line lies on the line segment DC. Okay, you have to just prove that the point B lies on the line DC, right? So we have to just prove that DBC make a straight line. Okay, so हमें क्या प्रूव करनी है? B सेगमेंट DC पे लाई करती है. इफ अगर हम यहाँ पे यह प्रूव कर सकते हैं that D, B and C are collinear. collinear कहने का मतलब all 3 points lies on the same line. If we join these 3 points, then it will make a straight line. So we have discussed a theorem that the angle made from the diameter on the circle is 90 degree. This is diameter. So diameter से जो circumference पे angle बनती है, that is equal to 90 degree. Okay. So AD is the diameter. Okay, this is the diameter, and this is the angle formed on the circle. Okay, so it will be 90 degree. Now let us discuss for the circle on the right side. AC is the diameter, right? AC is the diameter, and the angle made from the diameter to the circle is 90 degree. So this measurement is 180 degree. 180 degree means point D, B, C lies on a straight line, right? That's why you can say that B lies on the line segment DC. Example 6. So basically it is given that ABCD is a quadrilateral. Quadrilateral means what? Quadrilateral means that a closed figure having 4 sides. अगर क्वाड्रिलेटरल लिखा गया है तो इसका मतलब आप सिर्फ और सिर्फ इतना समझना है आपको कि एक क्लोज्ड फिगर है जिसमें 4 साइड्स हैं. इसके अलावा आप क्वाड्रिलेटरल की properties जानते हो that the sum of the interior angle of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. So you know only these point when a quadrilateral come into the picture, right? So ABCD is a quadrilateral, right? And AH, BF, CG and DH, right? These are the angle bisector of angle A, angle B, angle C and angle D. Okay, so you have to just prove that that this quadrilateral formed by the internal angle bisector of a quadrilateral is cyclic. Okay, so you have to just prove that in quadrilateral EFGH opposite, the sum of any one pair of opposite angle is 180 degree. Either you can prove angle E plus angle G is equal to 180 degree, or you can prove angle F plus angle H is equal to 180 degree. Okay, so आप यहाँ पे आपके बुक में एग्जांपल्स दिए गए हैं, सो आप कोशिश करिएगा इसे प्रूफ करने का, राइट। इस पे बेस्ड और भी क्वेश्चंस आते हैं। फॉर एग्जांपल, इट इज गिवन दैट देयर इज अ पैरेललोग्राम एंड पैरेललोग्राम की इंटरनल बाइसेक्टर कहीं पे इंटरसेक्ट करती है, तो यहाँ पे कौन सा फिगर बनेगा, राइट। सो देयर इज अ वेरिएशन ऑन दिस क्वेश्चन. You can consider this question as a theorem, and this is very, very important. Let's move further. Exercise 10.5, we will do 2-3 questions, right? After that, we will start at 8:30 p.m. We will start the topic Heron's formula. ये क्लास आज आपका कल होने वाला था, बट किसी कारण से क्लास कल जो होना था वो आज रीशेड्यूल हो गया, राइट? So let us discuss exercise 10.5. अगर आपके कुछ क्वेश्चंस होंगे तो आप चैट बॉक्स में डाल सकते हैं. आई विल ट्राई टू सॉल्व योर क्वेश्चन, राइट. सो तब तक मैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 डिस्कस करता हूं. So in figure 10.36, A, B, C are 3 points on a circle with center O. A, yes. This is point A, this is point B, this is point C, and this is the center. BOC, where is BOC? This is BOC. It is 30 degree. AOB, this one, this is equal to 60 degree. D is a point on the circle. D is this point on the circle other than the arc ABC. Find ADC. Okay, so we have to find this angle. So I think this is very simple. So we know that I'm going to try to solve this question. Let's say this is center. So angle made at the center and angle made at the circumference. Okay. Let's say this angle is X and this angle will be 2X, right? So angle made from the same segment on the center and on the circumference, right? So there is a relation. So सेंटर पे जो एंगल बनेगी वो एंगल क्या होगी, 2 टाइम्स होगी. फॉर एग्जाम्पल हमने ये थ्योरम हमने प्रूव भी किया था, राइट. सो इन दिस केस you can see AC is what? AC is the segment, right? So AC segment से एक एंगल यहाँ पे बन रही है जो कि 60 plus 30 is equal to 90 degree की है, right? And from the same segment AC there is an angle D is forming on the circle. So it will equal to 90 divided by 2. 90 divided by 2 is equal to 45 degree. अगर मेरा कुछ आंसर गलत होगा तो आप चैट बॉक्स में आप टाइप करिएगा. कभी कभी सॉल्व करने में गलती हो जाती है, वैसे आप लोग बताते हो. So it is equal to 45 degree. Okay, so this is 45 degree. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes. So, but this topic is what? The topic is, right now we are discussing the topic cyclic quadrilateral. Okay, but we do not use the theorem of cyclic quadrilateral in this question. So let us try to solve this question using the concept of cyclic quadrilateral. In cyclic quadrilateral, what we know, let's say this is a circle and this is a quadrilateral ABCD, right? So the sum of the opposite angle of a cyclic quadrilateral is 180 degree. So I am going to erase. Okay. यहाँ पे साइक्लिक क्वाड्रिलेटरल क्या हम बना सकते हैं, ए बी सी डी. यस, तो आप कुछ इस तरीके की कंस्ट्रक्शन करके पहले इस एंगल और इस एंगल के बीच में रिलेशन लाओगे. देन आफ्टर द एंगल बी एंड एंगल डी इज, then you find that ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral and angle B and angle D is 180 degree, right? So इस तरीके से भी आप सॉल्व कर सकते हो. यस. सो यहाँ पे क्या होगा, ए, so in this case AB CD, it will this is a quadrilateral, right? This is a quadrilateral. Okay, so this is what, this is 90 degree, right? This is 90 degree. So it will be one theorem is 90 plus half of this angle, 90 plus 45, angle B will become 135. Probably this theorem we have not discussed. Okay. And finally, angle B plus angle D is 180 degree. So angle D will be 45. So better, I think you should use this theorem, that angle from the same segment on the center and at the circle. ये ज्यादा बेहतर होगा इस क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व करने के लिए. Let us discuss question number 3. In figure 10.37, PQR is 100. Find angle OPR. So मैं इसे थोड़ा जूम करता हूं. Right. So we have to find this angle, right? So basically you can see that this OP is equal to OR is equal to radius, right? OP is equal to OR is equal to radius. So triangle OPR is isosceles, right? ISOSCELES, isosceles, right? So in isosceles triangle, we know that the base angles are equal. So angle OPR is equal to angle ORP, right? So, and we know that uh, find angle OPR, right? So it will be 100 plus 100 by 2, 150 degree, and it will be 15 degree, it will be 15 degree. क्या ये क्वेश्चन आप लोगों में से कोई सॉल्व किए हैं क्या? डू यू हैव सॉल्व दिस क्वेश्चन? जस्ट यू कैन रेज योर हैंड. हाँ आर्यन, आप माइक ऑन करके आप बता सकते हो.
हेलो, यस सर।
यस, आपके पास अगर कोई डिफरेंट वे हैं, देन यू कैन एक्सप्लेन दिस क्वेश्चन.
Yes, sir. Sir, actually, at first, sir, we have drawn. Sir, I have drawn a cyclic quadrilateral using PQR, and I have taken one more point as S,
Yes,
sir, and then it became a complete cyclic quadrilateral. Sir,
yes,
so as we know that sum of opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral equals to 180 degree. So, sir, it will be 80 degree. So, sir, the interior one, it will automatically be, sir, 100, 160 degrees, sir.
yes. Sorry, sir. It will be 160 degree. Very good. हाँ, ये मैं मिस कर रहा था. ओके.
Sir, and as we know, the property of triangle is that in a, sir, if the two will be equal to angle R.
Yes.
Sir, as we know that the both angles are equal, so we can take them as x, and x plus 160 degree equals to 180 degree. Angle sum property of a triangle, sir, and by this we will get 2x equals to 180 degree minus 160, sir, and x value will come as 10 degree.
ओके, वेरी गुड. यस, एक्स विल बी 10 डिग्री. दिव्यांशु, आपने भी हैंड रेज किया, आपको कुछ बोलना है क्या? ओके. हाँ, तो आर्यन ने बताया दैट यहाँ पे जस्ट हमें एक कंस्ट्रक्शन करनी है. लेट्स से टेक अ पॉइंट एस. सो मैंने यहाँ पे P और S को मिलाया और S और R को मिलाया, राइट? So from this you can say angle Q and angle S, this is the opposite angle of a cyclic quadrilateral, so it will be 180 degree, right? So angle S will be 80 degree. Okay, angle S will be 80 degree. And now you can see that PR, okay, PR is a segment, and from this segment there is a angle on the center and there is an angle at the circle. Okay, so angle at the circle is 80 degree. So angle at the center will be 80 into 2, 160 degree. Now let us draw the angle POR over here. This is O, this is P, this is R. This angle is 160 degree. OP and OR are equal because OP and OR are radius, right? So this is an isosceles triangle. So the base angle, which is P and angle R, are also equal, right? So it will be equal to 10 degree and 10 degree. Now if you add 160 plus 10 plus 10, it will be 180 degree. होप आप लोग ये क्वेश्चन समझ गए होंगे. Question number 4. In figure 10.38 ABC, ABC is 69, ACB is 31. Find BDC. BDC आपको फाइंड करनी है. So yes, this angle is 69 degree. This angle is 31 degree. Okay. So angle A and angle D will be equal because the angle on the same segment are equal, right? So we have to find angle BDC, right? So in triangle, let just wait. So in triangle ABC, ABC में हम क्या देखते हैं? एंगल BAC plus 80 degree. Okay, very good. So in triangle ABC, we know that the sum of the interior angle of a triangle is 180. So BAC plus angle ACB plus angle CBA is equal to 180 degree. BAC is X, ACB is 31, CBA is 69 is equal to 180 degree. If you solve, then you will get 180 minus 69 minus 30 is equal to 80 minus 180 is 70. It will be X will be 80. Okay. So X will be 80 degree. So X की वैल्यू आपको 80 डिग्री और 80 डिग्री आ जाएगी. So the basic thing is that we know that the angle on the same segment are equal. This is very, very important formula, right? Important theorem. Question number 5. Find angle BAC. In figure ABCD has 4 point. हाँ, यहाँ पे जो भी दिया गया आपको फिगर में दी गई है एंड यू हैव टू फाइंड एंगल BAC आपको फाइंड करनी है. तो यहाँ पे हम इसे x बोलते हैं, देन इट विल बी आल्सो x बिकॉज एंगल A एंड एंगल D आर ऑन द सेम सेगमेंट, दैट्स व्हाई बोथ एंगल विल बी इक्वल, राइट? So this is x, this is 130, it will make a straight line, so it will be 50 degree, right? BED is a straight line and BEC, okay, let me write over here, angle BEC plus angle DEC is equal to 180 degree. DEC, this is 130 plus DEC, ये हमें नहीं पता है, is equal to 180 degree. So angle DEC is equal to 50 degree, right? Now in triangle DEC, okay, X plus 20 plus 50 degree is equal to 180 degree. So the value of X is equal to 180 minus 70. The value of X will be 110. So X will be 110. So angle BAC will be also 110 because we know that the angle on the same segment are equal, and here in this case BC is a segment and BAC and BDC are the angle on the segment BC. So similarly, you can prove, solve all the sum. Question number 8, which is a theorem that if in a circle there is a trapezium. Okay, what is trapezium? Trapezium is a quadrilateral in which opposite sides are, one pair of opposite sides are parallel, right? So this is like a trapezium in which one pair of sides are parallel. Okay, so it is given that there is a trapezium in which these sides are equal. Okay, this side and this side are equal and this is parallel, right? So you have to prove that this is cyclic. You have to prove that this trapezium is cyclic. Okay, means if the non-parallel sides of a trapezium are equal, then you have to prove that it is cyclic. So please solve this theorem. इस theorem को आप घर पे समझने का प्रयास करिएगा. Question number 9. So you have to prove that ACP. पहले मुझे चैट बॉक्स देखने दीजिए कि yes, हाँ, prove that ACP is equal to QCD. ACP किधर है? ACP, this one is equal to QCD. ये दोनों को आपको क्या बताना है? इक्वल बताना है. तो यहाँ पे देख के आपको लग रहा होगा that the figure is very complex, right? But since this is question, so we have to prove. Two circle intersect at point B and C through B. Two line segment ABD and PBQ are drawn to intersect the circle at A, D, and P. A, D, and PS. P and Q. Prove that angle ACP is equal to angle QCD. तो प्रयास करते हैं इसे प्रूव करने का. अगर नहीं होगा तो आप लोग बताइएगा, राइट? So let us try to solve this question. Yes, so we have to just prove this angle and this angle. ये दोनों एंगल को हमें इक्वल बतानी है, right? So we know that if this angle is x, then this angle will also be x. Why? Because these are made up on the same line segment AP. AP line segment से यहाँ पे ये एंगल बन रही है, and also from the AP line segment this angle forms, right? So this is x, then it will also be x. Why? यहाँ पे क्यों होगा? वर्टिकली अपोजिट एंगल. आप पढ़े होंगे that if two line cross, okay, so if this angle is x, then it will be also x, right? So this is x degree. Now in circle which is on the right side, you can see that DQ is a line segment, right? DQ यहाँ पे एक line segment है और इस line segment से एक एंगल बन रही है आपको DBQ. DBQ is a angle और इसी line segment से आप क्या देख पा रहे हो? एक एंगल बन रही है DCQ. Okay, so we know that angle from the same segment on a circle are equal. Okay, so this angle is x degree, so it will also be x degree. तो हमारा प्रूफ हो गया. हमें प्रूफ क्या करनी थी? We have to prove that angle ACP is equal to angle QCD, right? तो ACP यहाँ पे x है और QCD को भी हमने x प्रूफ करके आपको बता दिया. ओके, सो अगर ये क्वेश्चन आप नहीं समझ पाए तो आप चैट बॉक्स में राइट. सो होप ये क्वेश्चन आप समझ पा रहे होंगे. दिस इज टोटली बेस्ड ऑन द एंगल ऑन द सेम सेगमेंट आर इक्वल, राइट? सो बेसिकली ये जो एंगल आप अभी तक देख रहे होंगे दैट एंगल ऑन द सेम सेगमेंट आर इक्वल, इस पे बेस्ड बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस आते हैं. तो अभी तक जितने हमने डिग्री वाले क्वेश्चन किए हैं, डिग्री फाइंड करने वाले सारे क्वेश्चंस में वो कॉन्सेप्ट यहाँ पे हमें मिला, राइट? सो आप प्रयास करिएगा सारे क्वेश्चंस को सॉल्व करने का. एक्सरसाइज 10.6 इज ऑप्शनल, बट you should solve all these question. Okay, so there are 10 question in the optional. I am not going to discuss now optional exercise question. अगले क्लासेस में कुछ आपके डाउट्स होंगे एक्सरसाइज 10.5 या ऑप्शनल में से, तो एक दो क्वेश्चन हम ट्राई कर सकते हैं. ओके, सो इन नेक्स्ट क्लास वी विल स्टार्ट हीरोन्स फार्मूला. अगले क्लास में हम हीरोन्स फार्मूला स्टार्ट करेंगे. बेसिकली वी हैव टू डिस्कस इन द हीरोन्स फार्मूला दैट इफ इन अ ट्रायंगल ABC, if we know the side length of the side of all the, if we know the measurement of all the sides, then we can find the area. Okay, so इसी पे बेस्ड हम ये पढ़ेंगे हीरोन्स फार्मूला. ओके, जो भी वेरिएशंस हुई क्वेश्चंस की वो हम देखेंगे. आफ्टर दैट वी विल स्टार्ट सरफेस एरिया एंड वॉल्यूम टॉपिक. सो इट इज 8:43 p.m. So I am going to wrap up today's class 15 minutes earlier. Okay. So आज का क्लास हम यहीं पे स्टॉप करते हैं. अगले क्लास में जब हम मिलेंगे तो हेरॉन्स फॉर्मूला टॉपिक स्टार्ट करेंगे. सो नाउ यू कैन लीव द क्लास. Hello.